We are looking at different patterns and trying to come up with rules about those patterns. So this first one, we have 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, and so on. They could keep going. Question A says make a table showing the number of steps x compared to the perimeter of that shape. So down here, just make a horizontal table. X is steps, y is perimeter. So this one, the top one, is 1 step and has a perimeter of 4 centimeters. So 1. Next one it's 2 steps, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would be the perimeter in centimeters, and so on and so forth. So finish that out. You could even make some predictions on the future spaces. Then for part B, you need to create a graph. Your graph is going to need to go up to at least 20 and up to 5. And you're going to make a graph there. C, you're going to write a rule for your pattern based upon y and x. So it's going to be y equals something. And then part D, you're going to make some predictions. You're going to plug in 47 for x. So x equals 47. So y equals ... You can figure that out. And then answer question E. All right. On the back side, we're looking at a different kind of triangles. So stage 0, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Notice that to go to the next stage, all the upward pointing triangles, you need to find their midpoints. So like if I went to the next stage from here, I'd find the midpoints of this and connect those, and that gets you to the next stage. And then you have these 3 upward triangles, and you find the midpoints of those and connect them, and you get this triangle. And again, now we have 9 upward triangles. In all those, we need to create a downward triangle, and so on and so forth. And you could keep going. Okay. So eventually, down here, you got to answer these questions. What do you notice when you compare stages 1 and stage 2? Answer that question. How many new upward pointing triangles are there in stage 3? You got to answer that question. And then it says create a stage 4 figure. So down here, I'd make a pretty big triangle. Try to make it as equilateral, all sides the same as possible. And then label it stage 4. And try to fill this in based upon the pattern that you see up there. And then you're going to answer this question. How many upward pointing triangles are there in stage 4? And then try to come up with a pattern where y equals the number of upward triangles, and something in an expression with x and with x in it, where x is the stage. It might be beneficial to create a table first with your stages. So we said stage 0 up here. Stage 0 has 1 upward triangle, and then stage 1 has 1, 2, 3 upward triangles. And continue that, and then use this table to create a rule. There's going to be some kind of number in x in here, or more than 1x.